Welcome back to my series, Meals You'll Actually Make. This is episode number 13, my crunchy chicken Caesar sandwich. It's ready in under 20 minutes and tastes so good. We're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken breast with all our spices, and then double dipping in some flour and eggs, and lastly coat in the Italian breadcrumbs. Now just shallow fry until golden brown and crispy. Finally layer the Caesar dressing, crunchy chicken, warm mozzarella cheese, Caesar salad, and some freshly grated Parmigiano on some butter toasted bread. Slice in half, and that's it. You will have just made the tastiest and easiest chicken Caesar sandwiches ever. Comment recipe and I'll send you the link to the full recipe. The best dinner and amazing for meal prep.